Hi students, good morning. In the last class, we were discussed about plastics. That is about their characteristics, their uses, different types of plastics, etc. Today, we are going to discuss about the plastic and the environment. Up to the last class, we were discussing about mainly the advantages of plastics. Am I right? Yes. But as we know, like advantages, it has more disadvantage. So today, let's discuss the disadvantages of plastics. As we know, when we go to the market, usually we get the things in plastic bags or plastic covers. And that is the main reason why plastic wastes get accumulated in our homes. As we know, the disposal of plastics is much difficult. In these topics, let us discuss what are the disadvantages of plastics. In the nature, we can classify the materials into biodegradable and non-biodegradable. As we know, a leaf or a paper, when kept in air or in soil, what will happen? It will decompose. It will decompose. So a material which gets decomposed, once again, a material which gets decomposed through natural process are known as biodegradable. Natural process means by the action of bacteria. So let us include that point also. So what is biodegradable? Biodegradable. That is a material which gets decomposed through natural process such as the action by bacteria is called biodegradable. A material which gets decomposed through natural process such as action by bacteria are called biodegradable materials. Whereas a material which is not easily decomposed by natural processes are known as non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable. So there are two types of materials in earth, like biodegradable and non-biodegradable. See, in which category can we include plastics? In biodegradable or non-biodegradable? Yes, in the case of non-biodegradable. Why? Since the plastic takes several years to decompose, and it is not eco-friendly or environment friendly, and it causes environmental pollution. Besides, the burning process in the synthetic material is quite slow, and also it does not get completely burned easily, and during the burning it may produce a large amount of poisonous forms, especially in the form of gases. And these gases, when mixed with the air get polluted. Okay, and that is what we call air pollution. Air pollution. So plastic is air polluted, then totally it makes environmental pollution also. So let us avoid the use of plastics as far as possible while going to the market. Always we want to take a jute or cotton bags to carry things. I think nowadays we are always using. Anyhow, make it a habit to take a cotton bag or a jute bag while going for shopping. See, the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste should be collected separately and disposed of. I think nowadays our local self-government departments, that is like Grama Panchayat or municipalities, are collecting these plastic items separately. Okay. As we know, these plastics that makes that much problem to our earth. That much problem. So as a citizen or as a student, we want to avoid the use of plastics. So for that, what are the precautions that we can take? Can you say? Yeah, first one, during shopping, we want to carry a jute bags or cloth bags. And see, we can use the plastics which can be recycled. During the last topic, we were discussed about recycling of plastics. So most of the thermoplastics are recycled. So up to some extent, the disadvantage of plastics can be reduced by recycling. That's one item. It's again melted and molded, or giving many colors, we can make different materials. That is, the production of new plastic item will reduce. And see, during recycling, some colors are added, and that limits its usage, especially for storage of food. So during recycling, the coloring agent may add, and that may reduce the usage of that type of plastics, especially in storing of food items. And see, this plastic is not only danger for human beings, like other living beings also. Can you say how? Have you ever seen a garbage dump where animals, especially cows are eating garbage. Did you see? Yes. During the process of eating the food waste, they swallow eating the materials like polythene bags and the wrappers of food. Can you imagine what are the consequences? What are the consequences? That is, the plastic material chokes the respiratory system of these animals by swallowing that type of plastic garbages or materials. That stops the respiratory system of that animal. And what will happen? And that form a lining in their stomach. And that may cause even the death of that animal. So, the use of plastic is not only harmful for human beings, but also for other living beings. And as we know, the poly bags were carelessly thrown here and there are responsible for the clogging the drains. The drains. As we know, when the plastics are exposed or dumped in the earth, it does not degrade. It does not degrade or decompose. Even 10 years, 50 years itself, it will exist in the soil as such. So what will happen? It will reduce the fertility of soil. And see, sometimes we are very careless and throw the wrappers of chips, biscuits and other eatables on the road or the parks or picnic places. So, before exposing sweet wrap, covering of biscuits, chips, etc., we have to think twice before doing. As responsible citizens, what measures do you suggest to keep public places clean and free of plastic? So, in order to make clean our environment, we, that is the coming generation, the growing generations, want to make sure how to use these plastics seriously. Okay, we should aware about the disadvantages of these plastics. Environmental pollutions, air pollutions, water pollutions, and they will take even the life of living beings. The aquatic, no doubts. Wherever we are dumping these plastics should be harmful. No doubt in that, guys. So always we use these things in order to make our earth clean or our surroundings clean. Do not throw plastic bags in the water bodies or on the road. Always take a cotton carry bag or a jute bag while going for shopping. Try to minimize the use of plastic materials. We can use steel items. Even we can use steel lunch box instead of plastic lunch box. Okay. See, as a responsible citizen, remember the 4R rules in order to maintain the earth as clean. Which are the 4 rules or 4 principles for our principles? First one, reduce the production and use of plastics. Then reuse, that I told, recycled, reuse. Then recycle, and finally recover. So these are the 4 R rules we must obey in order to make our environment friendly. Okay? Which are the 4 R principle? Reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. Okay? So these are the main disadvantages of plastics. Okay, students? Thank you.